Imagine a world where electronics are printed on demand, chips are completely modular, and manufacturing happens faster than you ever thought possible. This isn't science fiction. This is the world being built right now with 3D printing and chiplet technology, the future of production. For decades, traditional manufacturing has struggled with speed, flexibility, and soaring costs. It's often slow to adapt and expensive to retool. But what if there was a better way? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by intricate layer from digital files. At the same time, chiplet technology breaks down massive, monolithic processors into smaller, modular components that can be mixed and matched. Together, these two innovations promise a new era of manufacturing that's faster, cheaper, and a whole lot smarter. Let's start with 3D printing. Its biggest advantage is the ability to go from a digital design to a physical object in a matter of hours. This is called rapid prototyping, and it's a game changer for engineers and designers. But it goes beyond just prototypes. 3D printing allows for fully customized designs that are impossible to create with traditional methods. Industries like aerospace are already leading the way. For example, Airbus uses thousands of 3D printed parts in its aircraft. These components are incredibly lightweight, which helps save fuel and reduce emissions. From custom medical implants to complex engine parts, 3D printing is making manufacturing more precise and efficient. Now, let's talk about chiplets. For a long time, the goal in chip design was to cram more and more transistors onto a single, giant piece of silicon. This is getting harder and more expensive. Chiplets flip this idea on its head. Instead of one massive, monolithic processor, chiplets use smaller, specialized modular pieces or chiplets that are connected together. Think of it like building with Lego bricks instead of carving from a single block. This approach has huge benefits. It improves performance by allowing different chiplets to be made with the best process for their specific job. It lowers costs because smaller chips are easier to produce with fewer defects. And it makes upgrades a breeze. Companies like AMD have already proven this model works, using chiplets in their Ryzen processors to deliver incredible performance without the premium price tag. So what happens when you combine these two revolutionary technologies? You get a manufacturing paradigm shift. Combining the customization of 3D printing with the modularity of chiplets is a complete game changer. Imagine 3D printers that can embed modular chips directly into a product as it's being created. This could lead to on-demand electronics, where a device is printed and assembled simultaneously. It drastically shortens the cycle from design to production and creates more resilient, localized manufacturing, reducing our reliance on complex global supply chains. Picture a 3D printer creating a drone body while seamlessly integrating the necessary processing chiplets into its structure. This isn't just a futuristic dream. By 2030, we'll see this combination transforming industries everywhere. In healthcare, think of custom-printed implants with smart chips that monitor a patient's recovery in real time. In the automotive sector, we'll have ultra-lightweight car components printed with AI chiplets for autonomous driving. For consumer electronics, you could get personalized gadgets designed and printed just for you. And in aerospace and defense, it means faster, more secure production of critical components right where they're needed. The factory of the future will be agile, intelligent, and highly automated. Of course, every major technological leap has its hurdles. For 3D printing, scaling up to mass production can still be expensive and slower than traditional methods for simple parts. For chiplets, the industry needs to agree on universal standards so that components from different companies can work together seamlessly. Quality assurance processes also need to adapt to these new manufacturing techniques, and our supply chains will need a complete modernization to keep up. But these are challenges, not roadblocks. Overcoming them will unlock the full mind-blowing potential of next-generation manufacturing. The future outlook is incredibly exciting. The fusion of 3D printing and chiplets is set to revolutionize countless industries. It promises a world of faster innovation, smarter devices, and manufacturing that is flexible enough to meet the demands of the 21st century. It's all about making things smarter, faster, and cheaper. What would you like to see printed next? A chip, a car part, or maybe an entire gadget? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the tech that's shaping our world. Thanks for watching.